In this video, we're going to answer the question, Fieldwire versus Viewpoint Vista, which software is better for financial project management? Stick around because I'll break down the pros and cons of both these platforms, and I'll even recommend a better option at the end of this video, so don't click away just yet. Let's jump into it with Fieldwire. This software is a favorite in the construction management space, but it has its place in financial project management as well. Fieldwire focuses on collaboration, task management, and project tracking. It's highly visual, which is a huge bonus for teams who like to keep everything on a single dashboard. However, while its interface is clean, the downside is that it can feel a little too basic when it comes to financials. For example, if you're managing budgets, costs, or tracking expenses, Fieldwire doesn't offer the deep financial features you might need. You'd have to rely on third-party integrations, which can be a bit clunky. Next, let's talk about Viewpoint Vista. This one's a heavyweight in the financial project management category. Unlike Fieldwire, Viewpoint Vista has robust accounting features built right in. It integrates financials directly into project workflows, which makes managing cash flow, expenses, and even payroll much easier. It's very customizable, and for larger organizations, this is a real plus. However, there's a catch. Viewpoint Vista can be a bit overwhelming for smaller teams or businesses. The user interface is not the most intuitive, and it often requires a steep learning curve. Plus, with so many features, it can feel bloated. Many users complain it's not the most streamlined tool out there. The third thing to consider is pricing. Fieldwire is more affordable for small to medium-sized teams with a lower barrier to entry. It's a great tool if you're on a budget, but once you start requiring more advanced financial features, you'll likely have to pay for add-ons. Viewpoint Vista, on the other hand, is more of an enterprise solution, and its pricing reflects that. It can get pretty expensive, especially when you factor in the need for implementation support and training. Next, let's compare the customer support. With Fieldwire, support is generally good, and they offer live chat, email, and phone support, but it's worth noting that their customer service can sometimes be slow, especially with more technical issues. Viewpoint Vista support is better suited for larger teams and businesses with more in-depth resources, but again, the learning curve and setup process mean that you'll likely need that extra help. The training and onboarding for Viewpoint Vista are great if you're willing to put in the time. So, to sum it up, both Fieldwire and Viewpoint Vista have their strengths and weaknesses. Fieldwire shines in collaboration and ease of use, but falls short when it comes to robust financial tracking. Viewpoint Vista offers powerful financial features, but can be hard to navigate and expensive. However, after trying all of them myself, I believe there's a better alternative for financial project management. If you're serious about financial management for your projects, you need something that combines ease of use, comprehensive financial tools, and strong customer support. For that, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through this link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. It's the best option if you want to streamline your financial project management without the headaches of clunky interfaces or overpriced solutions. So, Fieldwire and Viewpoint Vista are solid tools, but if you want something that meets your needs, I suggest you take advantage of the free trial through the link below. Don't miss out. Check it out today.